Well, hello. This is Victoria Lowe, and I'm back with another video, which means two colors. I'm showing you this hot, flaming, sizzling, spicy red, along with this rosy red. Two different reds, one video right in time for Valentine's Day. So make sure you stay tuned, lipstick gang. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Let's mix it up. Well, hello, lipstick gang. I'm back with another video, and I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of the Very Veelo Beauty world famous base lipstick base, and I'm adding that to my bowl. You guys know me by now. I like to create a canvas first, so I'm going in with 1/4 teaspoon of the titanium dioxide, and I'm going to mix that in really good until it is as smooth as butter before we can add our next color. Oh my gosh, you guys, 2020 is here, and I'm already trying to spice things up. Let me know what you thought about my new intro in the comment section. So with this one batch, like I first stated, I am going to be making 2 different reds. The first red is going to be a nice spicy red, and then the next one is going to be more of a rosy red. So it is really interesting how I'm going to get 2 colors out of this one batch, but it's really cool. So make sure you stay tuned. Now I'm going in with the main star of the show. That is 1 teaspoon of the FD&C red number 40 aluminum lake. And I have a video showing you guys, my last video actually shows you guys how I shop for my lakes. So be sure to check that out. And I'm just gonna mix this in really well, making sure that I incorporate all of that white. But yes, this is the first step to creating this spicy, fiery red. This is my favorite red to make. In my line, it goes by the name of Phoenix, and I know I have a video on how to do Phoenix already, but because it's Valentine's Day, I wanted to show you guys an updated version that I did with adding a little pink. I did not know that pink could take this color to the next level, but stay tuned, you'll see. just mixing very well, you guys. I just wanted to show you how I really mix it, you know, without speeding it up. Usually I speed it up, but I really wanted you guys to see that a lot of mixing does take place in order to incorporate everything. So yeah, here I am just mixing until I get ready to add my yellow. Okay, so here we are gonna get that fire added to this red. I'm going in with a teaspoon of the yellow number 5 alum lake, and this right here is really gonna brighten it up. As you can see how bright this yellow already is, imagine how it's going to add to this red once it's mixed in. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going in with half a teaspoon of the Isododecane remix, which is going to add adhesion to our product and allow our product to dry down to a nice moisture matte. After the ISO, of course, we're going in with more color. I'm going in with half a teaspoon of the FD&C red number 40 and a quarter of a teaspoon of the FD&C red number 27 alum lakes. And these are the final colors that I'm going to be adding to that first spicy, fiery red. guys, so as I am mixing, I want to make sure that I mix it well, as this is the final mix before it goes into the bottle. But speaking of Valentine's Day, let me know in the comment section what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. Are you guys going to be loving on yourselves, or are you going to be loving on your boo, or loving on your kids? What you going to be doing? Everybody need a little love in their life. But now I'm swatching this beautiful red, and like I told y'all, it is very spicy, and I love the color Payoff. I did go on a little pigment overload, but when you are making red, it is so necessary because you want that red to be popping. And oh my gosh, this is popping. So here I am just drawing up our lipstick into the syringe, and I'm going to be putting it in to this cute little pink bottle that I got off of Amazon. I'll be sure to link it in the description box below, and I thought it was so appropriate for my Valentine themed video. So I was like, yes, Amazon, let me have those, please and thank you. And right here, I'm just filling it up. You guys can use one of those, you know what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, I can't think of it right now. The plastic thing, the tip that you put on the end, you can use that. But I chose to just squirt it on in because it's gonna reach to the bottom anyway. And I added my stopper, and I am going to add my doe foot wand to my bottle, and just like that, we made lipstick. Love it. And now that I got this color out of the way, I'm going on to my next color. But this is absolutely beautiful, and I love these bottles. I love the ombre effect. I love the fade out. That's really different and cute. Love it. So now I'm going in, and I'm going to use the lipstick that I had left over from that first color, and I'm adding 1 drop of black oxide to this mix. And I know you guys are like, what is a drop gonna do? Oh baby, a drop of black is gonna really kind of smoke it out, vamp it out. It's gonna be a totally different color once that black is added. And all I used was a drop. Now of course you guys know if you add more black, it would be more on the burgundy side, or more, I'll say more on the cherry red side, like a darker cherry. If that's what you are going for, you could add another drop of black, and that would be just as beautiful. But I'm adding 1 drop of black to my mixture, and I'm going to mix this in very well. I couldn't make up my mind between the 2 reds, so I was like, I'm just going to give them both because they deserve it, because they're the lipstick gang, and because we are all lipstick besties in my head. So yes, I had to do both. And I almost did a 3rd color, but I'm going to save that video for another day. I know I owe it to you guys, but I'm going to do another video on another Valentine color. Hopefully I get it up before Valentine's Day, but if not, we are still in the mood for Valentine's colors, are we not? Hey, I am. But anyway, I'm mixing this in really good. I'm just folding it in and making sure that I really get that black mixed in really good, because you don't want no streaks of black on your lips when you're trying to put it on, or for your customers anyway. So yes, I'm just mixing this in really good, and to me it looks more like a rose petal. And that's the first red that we made, that fire, that passion. Oh my gosh, I love it. And now I'm going in with the darker rosy red, which is equally as beautiful. And I'm thinking maybe the fiery red for the day and the rosy red for at night, or maybe the rosy red for the day and the fiery red at night. I don't know, whatever floats your boat, but both of these reds are absolutely beautiful, and the color payoff is amazing. I'm grateful for all of the pigment that I used in the first red, because it sure came through when it came time to make that second red. And here I am just bottling it up I got these bottles from the same site. It was actually a bundle, and I was like, oh, I want the black ones too, and I thought it was so cute. So I guess that second red could be that grown sexy red, huh? Because we got this black bottle. But I love them both, you guys, and I am so grateful for you stopping by my channel and watching me whip it up again, mix up some lipstick. You know how we do. But yes, guys, I am so grateful for you. And here we have it. That's that fire red that we made at first. And it is absolutely beautiful and stunning, going into that rosy red. You can't see a big difference on my lips, but you can see it on my arm. It is two different reds, and hey, there you have it. And you guys, of course, you know you can go to my website to get any of the bases that I use. And today in my video, I use the world famous, the original lipstick base, but I sell my bullet base as well as the Isododecane remix. You can head right over to my website and pick those up. Thank you as always for your love and support. And if I don't see you guys again before Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day. I love you.